Good morning. This is Naveen Tekwani. So, today's topic is that 490 crores of block sale done by Motilal Oswal, whether it is right or wrong. So, you guys must have remember in the beginning of 2025, Motilal Oswal came under a controversy of dealing with Kalyan Jewellers shares. So, the same thing has again happened. The same controversy is again raising with them. This kind, the company is Keynes Technology. So, what happens? Motilal Oswal Financial Services, the research team of Motilal Oswal, gives a financial research report on 5th of November stating that Keynes Technology, which is a electronics company, heavy electronics company, which make electronic components for aerospace, defense and automobile sector. So they publish a report with a recommendation of buy that share and stating that the share price will see a target upside of 23% within 1 year. Now, 5th of November, this report is published and Motilal Oswal's mutual fund, which is again a subsidiary of Motilal Oswal, they were having almost 4.7% holding of Keynes Technology in their mid-cap fund. Okay. Now, on 18th of November, Motilal Oswal did a block sale of 490 crores of entire Keynes Technology. So how is it possible if one wing of Motilal Oswal is giving a recommendation of buying the share and another wing of Motilal Oswal, another subsidiary of Motilal Oswal's umbrella is completely selling off these shares within the same month? When a research company publishes a research report stating any recommendation, they also have to need to give a disclosure that any of their subsidiaries and holding companies are actually having those securities or not in their portfolio. But in this case, Motilal Oswal did not publish the same thing about their mutual fund in their research report. So, what are the theories behind that? So, Mr. Motilal Oswal himself tweeted after this event that this is something which is a conspiracy against them and a rumors. So they have given lot of clarifications on that. But later on, we need to see that whether those clarifications work with the logic or not. After that sale, you will witness that within the same month, Motilal Oswal's share price has been down by almost 13% and Keynes Technology is down by 19%. So, what is your view on that? Please tell me in the comment box. Thank you so much. This is Naveen Tekwani signing off from Finformed.